everyone, Karen here again. We're still adding content into Google Sites. This time we're going to look at how you can add content from your Google Drive. So this is going to look very similar to how you add text and images. You've got a couple of different ways that you can do that. First thing you can do is find that next blank space in your website and then double click, and you're going to notice that there's a Drive icon at the bottom of that same wheel. And then you can get access to your Google Drive over in your side panel and pick the image, pick the documents or forms or sheets that you want to go ahead and put in there. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. The other thing that you can do is in the Insert tab over in that side panel, you can just click the Drive icon. Again, when that happens, it's going to get you into your Google Drive, and then you can select those documents, forms, sheets from there. Or my personal favorite, if it happens to match one of the layouts that is already preloaded, you can click on that. It'll add that whole layout for you, and then you simply click on the plus button, choose from Drive, and then it will again access your Google Drive in the side panel, and you can pick those things that you want to put in. So for this one, I'm going to put in a copy of the PHS TRF with rubric. I'm going to insert that first. I'm going to let it load in here. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on my next one. I'm going to select from Drive again. It's going to load there. I'm going to go ahead and go to my recent again. This time I want to go ahead and put in my TRF completion kind of guideline for kids. I'm going to go ahead and insert that next. And then finally, I want to go ahead and select the tag form that my kids are going to use to track their grades. I'm going to go ahead and go to recent again. And I'm going to find that tag form. There it is. To go ahead and put in as a resource for students to use as well. So now I've got my my three things rather loaded. Now I can always click here and I can go ahead and take the text off if I want to, or I could put some text in here. So for instance, I could put TRF form. I can probably get rid of this. Oops. Here I could do a TRF completion guidelines. Then I can get rid of this text. And then finally for this one, I can do the tag form. A, B, and C. It's hard for you to see that because I'm in the way. Oh, and I did form again, funny. Now I've added 3 different resources from my Google Doc. I've got my TRF form, I've got my TRF completion guideline, I've got my tag form. And because this is a block of text together, I now can go ahead and move that on my page so that it is right. Again, see the blue line between tutorials and time management. So that's right in the correct place in my academic resources. And I'm going to go ahead and close this up and show you kind of what that looks like. So tutorials, and there are my 3 resources. Time management before that I already added in there. And I could do the same to add in a slideshow. I could do the same thing to add in a sheet. I could even use the same thing to add in a form. All of these things are going to be clickable and take the kid to the Google Drive where they can then access that document for themselves. All right, so that's how you do it. That's how you add in content from Google Drive.